Hi, Holly Stokes with the Brain Trainer, and I'm super excited to be attending the 2023 convention at the National Guild of Hypnotists in Massachusetts. And I have a couple of classes that I'll be sharing. The first one is Friday, August 11th from 3 to 4 p.m. And it is Grow Your Practice with Free Advertising for Hypnotists. We're going to cover the free avenues that you should be taking advantage of right away. And we're going to also talk about some of the low-cost methods as well. There could be many ways that you are not maximizing how people are finding you and getting that client flow in to fill your practice. We're going to also talk about the marketing checklist and tips and strategies for getting more referrals. So the next class that I have to share is Friday, August 11th from 7 to 9 p.m. It's a 2-hour workshop. So that gives us a little time to deep dive. We're going to dive into a lighter you weight loss and stop sabotage with clients. And maybe you found that your clients, they're getting some great results. Maybe you've had some great sessions, but then they're moving along the progress, they're getting progress, and even though they're getting progress, they still fall off the wagon, or they run up into resistance, or some of your hypnosis just isn't sticking. So this is from sabotage. Sabotage can be deeply ingrained. And this is one of the reasons I wrote the program, A Lighter You Hypnosis Weight Loss System. But this gives us a chance to deep dive into the common mental blocks and patterns that go along with gaining weight, how to address them, and then also how to really work with your clients in that first session to create that connection, that clarity, that trust, and get their commitment on board. Plus, we're going to talk about how to manage their expectations and really create a customized program for working with your clients. So I hope you'll join me for those 2 classes. If you plan on going to those classes, feel free to drop me a line and say hi, and I'd love to meet you there. Looking forward to bumping shoulders with all the great hypnotists around the world. You can check out the convention website and this full schedule at ngh.net and check out the 2023 convention. You'll see the schedule of classes, and I look forward to talking with you soon.